The Torah is the instruction manual of the world, written by the maker of the world. No one knows a machine better than its maker. Imagine someone buying a new car. As he climbs into the car, the salesman says to him, "Oh, one more thing, sir. Here's the car's instruction manual." The driver turns to the salesman and says, "I don't need that. I instinctively feel what the tire pressure should be. I have a sixth sense when the car needs a major service. I know intuitively what octane the car needs." Few people would leave these sorts of decisions to instinct and feeling, and yet when it comes to our spiritual selves, we often just coast along assuming that we're not putting water into our spiritual gas tank. We're an internet generation where this week's guru or online Kabbalah often replaces the hard work of real spiritual growth. Don't mistake feeling spiritual and being spiritual. This is the Torah's warning in the story of Nadav and Avihu in this week's Torah portion. Nadav and Avihu were two of the sons of Aaron HaKohen, Aaron the high priest. Now only Aaron, only the high priest, was allowed to perform the service of burning the incense in the Kodesh HaKadoshim, the Holy of Holies. Both Nadav and Avihu's burning love for Hashem, for God, blinded them, and they disregarded the Maker's instructions and brought a strange fire into the Kodesh HaKadoshim. The intense holiness of that place literally drew from them their mortal lives. If two people on such a lofty spiritual level could be swayed by their passion, how much more should we be careful only to channel our feelings through the Maker's instructions?